This is why we like the Ruud furnace. Very nice and quiet. It's running right now. It's got the electronic air cleaner on there. It's a high efficiency, 95 plus. Put in new duct runs. Revamp this old system. Tied into the old 6-inch there. Pop down. Tied in for that one. I'll take that up. Put in a couple of 5 inches there. It's going to be a separate room here. And that runs there for a separate room down there. It's obviously going to be a basement suite. All the way to upstairs. But again, this is why we like the Ruud furnace. It is quiet. Maintenance free.